How do I audit an Amazon PPC account properly? When it comes down to account audits, this is something that we've been perfecting for a while, and we are stepping back now for clarity, because what we noticed is that we are going into these super detailed audits on what is going on and what is working and what is not working. The most important thing is for us to understand where does the account stands right now, and then out of wherever it stands right now, what are the things that we can minimize and maximize. By minimizing, I'm saying, is there anything inefficient spend that we can right away stop, pause, and hear me out, because most of the time whenever auditing accounts and we are getting this, oh, there's so much inefficient spend, we don't know that yet if it's inefficient spend or it's something that it's what the market tells us, that's what we're bidding for, that's what we are targeting, and it's not working for us. So inefficient spend, I would just take it with a grain of salt. But then the second thing is going to be on a product level, where we stand, how many products do we have, and then from there we are going to understand, okay, where does most of our spend goes? Because if we have the 5 products, for example, and then for one of the products, which is usually what's happening, is that one is the hero product that is bringing most of our revenue, and the rest of the product are bringing some of the revenue. And then some of the times what can happen is that the product that's bringing the most revenue, we are investing most of our ads, but we are highly unprofitable and we are not anymore in launch phase, or we don't want to gain additional market share. Then we would look into, all right, does this still worth it for us? And then if there are any other products that we might be having additional stock on, so inventory, can we push those products? Can we promote those products? Do we have enough demand in order to switch the hero product into that one, So again, we would be going into way more detailed, way more in-depth. Okay, in this campaign, how many ad groups are there? Are there any negatives? Are there 500 products within one campaign and all the products are just splitting and 2 or 3 products are performing well? All those, it's good to know. There are details that are for us important. So we will know, okay, this is the account that we are going to take over, and then what it's needed to be done on our end. But if it's for you to understand how to audit an account, is first off, what works well for the account, what doesn't work at all, what needs to be paused right away, and then which are the things that needs to be changed and how to prioritize those. I think that is going to be the most accurate way of doing this. Everything else, it's great to have, it's important to have, but as a brand owner, it might be important to know just if you're going to switch hero products.